Hi guys, this is Dr. Chong from Terra Medical. Over the past 3 years since 2018, we've been able to help more than 3,400 patients manage their scalp and hair disorders. Let's talk about some statistics. Using Regenera Activa, we've been able to manage 350 patients' hair loss woes. The team and I have together done over 350 hair transplant surgeries. Terra Medical is going through some changes. We'll be expanding our diagnostic capabilities to formulate better treatment plans to improve patient experiences and improve surgical outcomes. Let me take you on a tour of the new clinic. Welcome to Terra Medical Clinic. Let me take you on a tour of our new place. We've installed a specific area for our new advanced hair and scalp diagnostic suite called Tricolab Studio. We've repurposed this room just for the sake of allowing our patients to have a comfortable experience when they are undergoing our new scalp treatment called Keravive by Hydrafacial. We've also repurposed this operating room to be our second procedure room to allow for more procedures to take place and for our team to treat more patients. One of the other benefits of upgrading our premises is that we are able to enlarge our waiting area to allow for a more roomy, comfortable experience for our patients to have a nice waiting time. We fit the preparation room specifically for the purposes of preparing our patient on the morning of our hair transplant procedure. We've redesigned the rooms for treatments to be a lot more spa-like, and we've as well as upgraded the lasers. On top of that, we have increased the repertoire of our scalp treatments to provide for better patient experience and increase effectiveness. And even as we have invested in upgrading our clinic premises, you can see that at the end of the day, we are true to our essence. Terra Medical Clinic is here just for the purposes of helping you achieve your hair goals.